Here's an example of your word study homework. We're going to specifically look at the rainbow sort so that you can make sure that you're meeting the expectations set for you. This is one of those that sometimes students tend to get lazy with, so I want you to see exactly what's expected. The rainbow sort is on day 2 here. Please make sure you do each day on its particular day. So this is a Tuesday job so that we have a little bit of practice each day. The rainbow sort is not meant to just be some random silly activity. It actually is meant to mess with your brain a little bit so that after you're done writing the words that fit in that pattern, your brain is sort of being messed with to notice which words in that color fit that certain pattern. So just another way to mess with your brain to help you remember those pattern combinations. So we're going to go ahead and model for you what to do. You're going to start off, you can see on day 1 we underlined the patterns. So we're going to take our word card information and we're going to transfer it over to the actual sort. So you'll start off by just going down your list here. So you can see saucer starts with S and then has the AU pattern for the short ah sound. So saucer is going to go right here. So out of the colors that you choose, you need to pick one color to specifically be this column, one color for this column, one color for this column. You may not write in pencil and then shade over top or highlight over top. You must write it in that particular color. All right, so I'll go ahead and do a few so you can see what I mean. So I'll choose red to be this first column. So I see saucer is AU. So over here with my crayon, I'm going to write SAUCER. And then I can go to the next one, which is always. I see it's AL. So I'm going to pick a different color for that. So I'll pick green for that. And I'll go ahead and write ALWAYS. Make sure you're spelling and working correctly. All right, so you can see how this starts off, and then I'll show you how it finishes up in just a sec. All right, you can see I'm about 3/4 of the way through. I just got done writing the word also. Goes in the all category. And so it's green. You can see so far I have all these short sounds that are spelled AU. The short O sound for AW, the all, and then the oddballs all right and laughed because that is short A sound. So I'll keep going. I have the rest of this column to do. So I'm looking at the next word, almost, and I know I need to grab green and write it right here. Here's how I finished up. I went down each column to keep myself organized. I paid special attention to my oddballs so I didn't put them in the wrong spot. You can see all my words are sorted in the correct column, and you can see this sort of rainbow effect of 4 different colors. So you can pick any 4 colors you want, but they need to be colors, they need to be neat, and they need to be written in color. So make sure you spell everything correct as well. That's obviously an important piece. So you can see what this does for my brain. I can see that I do have a lot of words with the short O spelling of AU. And then it's sort of neat, some of the patterns you can see just about your sort in general. And then again, your brain can see all the ones with that pattern, all the ones with that pattern, and that pattern. So hopefully this just helps your memory to visualize those. So that's the purpose of the rainbow sort and how you do that. Also, please don't forget to write whatever your word wall words are for that particular week. Those are always listed on the whiteboard in the room.